Hello everybody, my name is Gabrielle McLean and I am going to be talking about team planning and the advantages of team planning. As we know, team planning is where two or more teachers collaboratively come together and plan and prepare instructional plans. Whether they are finding resources, whether they are finding activities, assignments, but they are collaboratively sitting together discussing things that they can do to plan for their students. The book Methods for Effective Teaching talks about the advantages of team planning. And one advantage that the book discusses was that the group team planning can help complement the talents of each other. So as we know, whenever we sit down together as a group, as a grade level, as a team, everybody is going to have their own individual strengths and their own individual weaknesses. And I know for myself, when I first started teaching, there were some things that I just couldn't do. Like I had, weaknesses as a new teacher that I had. And my team, my grade level, they were there. My instructional coach, she was there. The admin, they were there to help provide those things that I needed. Okay, so you're gonna have those people that's on your grade level. They're gonna have their strengths. They have things that they are strong in, and they can help cover for your weaknesses. Okay, so another advantage that the book talked about was team planning helps to address the content they teach. So if I am on a second grade team, when we go to PLCs, we can all plan the same content. We can all sit down and discuss the different activities that we can do. So it helps to talk about, to address the content that we are going to teach. And that's for really almost any elementary grade level. But I know that the upper grade levels for elementary, like 4th grade, which I teach 5th grade. And I know at my school, we also have 3rd grade where it's broken up into blocks. Okay, so I have block 1, block 2, and block 3 of science. I teach science. So a disadvantage to team planning would be that we cannot plan the same content. So I have to completely find my own resources. I have to completely find my own, I make my own lesson plans. We cannot plan the same content. But if I was, like I said earlier, if I was in the elementary grade level, I would be able to do that. And it's okay. I mean, it's okay because I have gotten to the point where I know how to plan. I know how to effectively plan. I know how to go out and see the activities and the resources and find the different assignments that I need to provide to my children based off of their needs. Okay? So team planning is very essential, and it's very, very critical. Just, having that, the PLCs, I think just planning weekly like that, at my school we do it weekly, and I think that's just a great benefit to have. And I know that taking previous education classes, some schools, it was bi-weekly. Some schools, it was every so often. But I enjoy doing the every week planning for the PLCs. But I really think that it's a great thing, and it helps the teams plan. And also it talked about, and this is something that we had to do actually recently at my school. We had to come together as a team and plan what rules that we were going to have in our class. So each class, so say for instance, I'm the 4th grade teacher, which I am, the 4th grade science teacher, the 4th grade math teacher, and the 4th grade ELA teacher. We had to come together and plan what rules do we want to have in our class, because we had to have the same exact rules in all 3 classes, so that whenever the students come to my class, they're going to have the same rules as they have in Miss such and such class, or they're going to have the same rules as they have in math class, or whatever the case may be. So team planning, it gets a lot done, it covers a lot, and it helps a lot. Thank you.